Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe. Today I'm going to be making homemade apple pie. It's super easy. There's only a few ingredients. The ingredients are 7 to 8 apples, 2 pie crusts, 5 teaspoons cornstarch, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 to 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, depending on how you like it, 1 tablespoon oil or melted butter, and half a small lemon. Now, mix all your dry ingredients together. Instead of just 1 cup white sugar, you could also do half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. If you like cinnamon, use 4 teaspoons instead of 2. Add a little bit of lemon zest. Then peel your apples and cut them into thin slices. Don't forget to remove the core, stem, and seeds. Then put them in a bowl and put lemon juice on it to prevent them from turning brown. Now mix all the ingredients together. This recipe is good for 2 pies. Divide it evenly into 2 pie shells. Put everything in the pie shell, including the juice. Then cover it with strips of pie dough. You can do it this way or however you like it. This is easy to do. It's just like weaving a basket. And crimp the edge using the end of a knife. Then we added egg wash to one pie, but not the other. The egg wash will make the pie look golden brown. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Then bake for an hour at 350 degrees. The pies are ready. You can see the one with the egg wash, which is golden brown, and the one without, but they both taste the same. Time to cut the pie. Ooh, it looks so good, and it tastes great too. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!